Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Tenorshare AI channel. Have you ever submitted an article only to have it flagged by an AI content detector as likely AI generated? If so, you're probably wondering how to make ChatGPT undetectable or how to humanize AI text effectively. Bypassing AI detectors is easier than you think with the right strategies and tools. Let's dive into how to use an AI to human text converter to create content that passes AI detection tests. Step 1. Diversify language and tone to bypass AI detectors. To make your text indistinguishable from human writing, avoid repetitive phrasing and overly formal language. Tools like BypassGPT or an AI text humanizer can introduce natural variations, ensuring your content reads like it was written by a human. While these tools can be effective, some are costly, so weigh your options carefully. Mixing long and short sentences enhances readability and mimics human writing patterns. Adding personal anecdotes or specific examples also reduces the likelihood of being flagged by an AI essay detector or AI writing detector. This approach helps your content feel authentic and engaging. Step 2. Stay ahead of AI detection algorithms. AI detectors for essays and other content are constantly evolving, but so are AI detection bypass methods. Whether you're using a paid anti-AI detector tool or a free alternative, staying updated on the latest algorithms is key. Testing your text with an AI-generated text detector or AI checker essay tool can help you refine your content and improve workflow efficiency. Step 3. Avoid common pitfalls. Overusing AI humanizer techniques can sometimes raise suspicion. For faster, more reliable results, try Tenorshare AI Bypass, an AI detection remover designed to humanize AI text seamlessly. Click the link below for a free trial and see how it transforms your content. How to use Tenorshare AI Bypass. 1. Visit the Tenorshare homepage and click the free trial AI Bypass button. 2. Access the dashboard and paste your article. 3. Choose Super Enhanced mode for the best results. 4. Run the AI detector test to check if your content is flagged as AI generated. 5. Use the Humanize feature to convert your text into fully human-like content that passes all AI text detector checks. In our test, an article initially flagged by an AI essay checker was transformed into a humanized version that passed every AI content detector with flying colors. Final thoughts. Making AI-generated text undetectable requires a blend of creative writing and powerful tools like Tenorshare AI Bypass. Whether you're crafting an essay, blog post, or even Spanish text humanizer content, these strategies will help you bypass AI detectors and produce authentic human-like text. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips on navigating the world of AI. See you next time.